In this video, I'm going to show you the best online businesses to start with no money in Kenya. Hey guys, my name is Kevin and today we are going to talk about the best ideas you can start right away even if you have zero cash on you. Now, before you go thinking, that's not possible, let me tell you why it totally is. You see, there are so many types of businesses out there that don't require investment at all. From, for example, email marketing to dropshipping stores. That's in fact what we are going to talk about today. So listen up, because I'm going to give you access to some of really powerful tools and ideas that will help you get started without breaking your wallet in half. Please consider subscribing so that you won't miss many more videos that are coming. The first one is dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? It's a business model that enables you to sell items without holding any stock. All of your products are stored in a warehouse and then delivered as soon as an order is received from a customer, and the warehouses we are talking about is managed by the supplier. Now, this gives the impression that you have all sorts of different products available, but really they are just being shipped from one location. There are hundreds of suppliers out there who provide this service, so finding one can be easy, but make sure that when choosing them, their products are in line with what you want. If not, then chances are customers won't find what they are looking for. Also, look at how much commission or fees they charge and compare this against other suppliers, as sometimes paying more isn't worth it just yet until you see how successful your business becomes. The next idea you can start with absolutely no money in Kenya is affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? You might have heard of it before or may not be sure what it is. It's actually quite simple to understand. Essentially, someone will promote a product for another person, and if the customer clicks on their link and buys that product, then the original vendor pays the affiliate a commission. Now, how can you start? There are lots of affiliate programs out there, but for this to work, you need a platform where you can share your links. The good news is you don't need to own that platform. A good place to start is to create a Facebook page or a group and then start sharing those links. A warning though, avoid spamming people with links. The best strategy to make money as an affiliate in Kenya is to offer value first before sharing a link. Here's a good example. You can write a post on Facebook about best smartwatches and then include your affiliate link within that post. What products should I promote? This is where you have to be very careful, because there are lots of affiliate programs, as we have mentioned, that will pay different amounts for each sale. You need to pick a niche that interests you and then find the best product in that area. For example, if you are into traveling and stuff, you can sign up for Travel Start affiliate program in Kenya and earn between Kenya shillings 400 and 1200 per referral. The third best online business to start with no money in Kenya is selling information products. Maybe you are a whiz at something, maybe it's baking, drawing or sewing. Perhaps you've created a new recipe that everyone loves and you want to share it with others who haven't tried it yet. You can do this by creating information product. An information product is basically anything digital, such as an ebook, software or a video series that you can sell to others. How do I get started? The best place to get started is on the web. There are plenty of sites that will allow you to create your own ebook, no hassle at all. And then when you've finished it, they will distribute it through their online stores, which means more people will see what you have created. Alternatively, you can record a step-by-step tutorial and sell it to whoever is interested in learning that skill. It's that simple. Our last business idea that you can start with no money in Kenya is my absolute best: freelance writing. A freelancer is someone who writes for others online, whether it is writing blog posts, editing documents, or even ghostwriting entire books. There are plenty of opportunities out there to make some extra cash. How do I get started? The most important element in becoming a successful freelancer in Kenya is having samples of your work available, and the best way to show this off is through creating yourself a portfolio website, which you can create it for free. Next, you will need to find clients. You can do this by looking at job boards on popular sites such as Upwork and Freelancer. As with any other business, word of mouth will help bring customers. Don't forget about asking friends or family if they have anyone that could use your services. As you can see, there are so many opportunities out there to get started without having the money to do it. Just remember that starting off small is key and will allow you to test your business idea before making any major investments or decisions. So don't give up just yet. Once you are ready, I'm sure these ideas will help kickstart your new career as an entrepreneur. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any videos that I upload.